Lesson: Federal penalties and enforcement actions for noncompliance. Federal penalties and enforcement actions for noncompliance play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of data protection and privacy laws. As professionals seeking certification in information privacy, understanding these penalties and enforcement mechanisms is imperative for effectively navigating the complex legal landscape. These penalties are designed not only to punish noncompliance, but also to deter future infractions, ensuring organizations adhere to established privacy standards. To facilitate this understanding, we will explore actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that can be directly applied in real-world scenarios. A fundamental aspect of federal penalties involves understanding the specific laws and regulations that govern privacy and data protection. The Federal Trade Commission Act, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, and the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act are pivotal in regulating privacy practices. The FTC, for instance, is empowered to take enforcement actions against unfair or deceptive practices in commerce, which includes noncompliance with privacy policies or failure to adequately protect personal information. Organizations that violate these regulations may face significant fines, consent decrees, and ongoing monitoring. To effectively address noncompliance, professionals must employ a robust risk management framework. The National Institute of Standards and Technology Framework for Improving Critical Infrastructure Cybersecurity provides an excellent foundation. This framework emphasizes the importance of identifying, protecting, detecting, responding to, and recovering from cybersecurity threats. By implementing these core functions, organizations can create a structured approach to manage privacy risks, ensuring compliance with federal regulations. A practical tool within this framework is conducting regular privacy impact assessments. PIAs help organizations identify potential privacy risks and implement measures to mitigate them before they become compliance issues. For instance, a company collecting sensitive health data could use a PIA to evaluate how data is processed, stored, and shared, ensuring alignment with HIPAA requirements. By proactively identifying risks, organizations can avoid hefty penalties and enhance their privacy posture. Case studies further illustrate the impact of federal penalties and the importance of compliance. A notable example is the FTC's enforcement action against Facebook in 2019, which resulted in a $5 billion fine for violating a 2012 privacy settlement by misleading users about their ability to control the privacy of their personal information. This case underscores the significance of adhering to consent decrees and highlights the FTC's role in enforcing privacy commitments. It serves as a cautionary tale for organizations to ensure transparency and accuracy in their privacy communications. To navigate these challenges, organizations can leverage privacy management software solutions. These tools streamline compliance efforts by automating privacy assessments, managing data subject requests, and maintaining records of processing activities. Solutions like OneTrust and TrustArc offer comprehensive privacy management platforms that align with global privacy regulations, providing actionable insights and facilitating adherence to federal standards. By integrating such tools into their operations, organizations can efficiently manage compliance obligations and reduce the risk of enforcement actions. Understanding the role of data breach notifications in federal penalties is also crucial. The Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health Act, for example, mandates that covered entities notify individuals and the Department of Health and Human Services of breaches involving unsecured protected health information. Failure to comply with these notification requirements can result in substantial fines. The 2014 data breach at Anthem Inc., where the personal information of nearly 79 million individuals was compromised, resulted in a $16 million settlement with the HHS, emphasizing the importance of timely breach reporting. This case highlights the need for organizations to establish effective incident response plans that align with federal notification requirements. In addition to penalties, federal enforcement actions can include corrective measures that organizations must implement to address compliance failures. These measures may involve revising privacy policies, enhancing security controls, and providing employee training. For instance, the FTC's settlement with Uber in 2018 required the company to implement a comprehensive privacy program and undergo regular independent privacy assessments for the next 20 years. Such corrective actions aim to prevent future violations and promote sustainable privacy practices. Step-by-step application for ensuring compliance involves conducting a comprehensive compliance audit. This process should begin with a review of current privacy policies and data protection practices, identifying any gaps in compliance with federal regulations. The next step involves engaging stakeholders across the organization to ensure a unified approach to privacy compliance. Implementing training programs for employees can further enhance awareness and adherence to privacy standards. Finally, organizations should establish a continuous monitoring system to detect and respond to potential compliance issues promptly. Statistics provide valuable insights into the prevalence and consequences of non-compliance. According to a study by the Ponemon Institute, the average cost of a data breach in the United States was $8.64 million in 2020, highlighting the financial impact of non-compliance. This statistic underscores the importance of investing in robust privacy programs to avoid costly penalties and damages to reputation. In conclusion, federal penalties and enforcement actions for non-compliance underscore the critical importance of adhering to privacy regulations. By understanding the legal landscape, implementing robust risk management frameworks, and leveraging practical tools, organizations can enhance their compliance efforts and mitigate the risk of enforcement actions. Case studies, practical tools, and frameworks offer valuable insights and guidance, enabling privacy professionals to address real-world challenges effectively. As the privacy landscape continues to evolve, staying informed and proactive in compliance efforts is essential for safeguarding personal information and maintaining trust with stakeholders.